Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to make a butter shrimp sweet and spicy with soy sauce. So if you want to know how we make this recipe, please continue watch my video. This is Helen Tanyamor, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Want to know how we make this? Let's go! So for our ingredients, we need half kilo of shrimp, 1 onion cut into small pieces. We also need 3 pieces of garlic cut into small pieces. We need also butter and soy sauce. We also need Indo food, the chili sweet sauce, salt, and some pepper. So first step, we're going to heat the pan, and when it's hot, we put the butter. We're going to melt the butter, and then when it's already melted, we're going to put our garlic. Let it golden brown, then we put our onion. Then we put our shrimp. Then mix it. Then we add the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then the Indo food chili sauce. You can put 3 or 4. It depends from you if you want to be super hot or just a little. Then mix them. By the way, thanks to Ate Maria for making the food. She's the one who assists me to make this recipe. So simmer it for 15 minutes and lower the fire. So after 15 minutes, our butter shrimp is done. So as you can see, it's delicious. Then put some coriander on the top for presentation. So that's all. So thank you guys for watching.